Thinking about trying the Lumona 7-in-1 Nitric Oxide Booster? Let's break it down and see what's really going on. This supplement claims to boost circulation and heart health, enhance energy and endurance, and support muscle pumps and recovery. It's packed with ingredients like L-Arginine alpha-ketoglutarate, L-Citrulline malate, Beet Root Extract, pine bark extract, pomegranate extract, and N-acetyl L-cysteine. Sounds impressive, right? But when you start digging deeper, there are some things that just don't sit right. The site boasts bold claims like over 50,000 plus units sold and a 4.9 out of 5-star rating. Yet strangely, there are no real customer reviews on platforms like Trustpilot or Reddit. That's usually a red flag. Even more concerning is that many of the images in these so-called customer reviews are actually taken from other unrelated websites. That makes it look like these reviews are either fake or just plain stolen. The website also features a doctor named Dr. Emily Carter, supposedly endorsing the product. But when you reverse search the image of this doctor, you'll find the same photo used with different names on multiple sites. That's another sign this may not be as trustworthy as it claims. Plus, they don't provide any scientific studies or clinical trials to back up the effectiveness of the supplement. It's all marketing, no substance. And speaking of marketing, they're using some pretty aggressive tactics. You'll see messages like, "Stock is limited during our spring sale" to create urgency, even though the site itself is relatively new. It's a common trick used to get people to buy quickly without thinking too hard about it. They also promise a 30-day money-back guarantee, but there's no phone number, no physical address, and no clear way to actually reach out to them if something goes wrong. That makes it nearly impossible to trust that they'll honor that refund policy. So, is Lumona 7-in-1 Nitric Oxide Booster legit or a scam? Honestly, it raises more questions than it answers. From the fake-looking reviews and sketchy doctor endorsements to the lack of transparency and contact info, this doesn't feel like a brand you can rely on. If you're serious about your health, it's always better to go with well-reviewed, transparent brands you can actually trust.